Hi. Oh my god, this is my second time trying to film this. I don't know what happened the first time. I already did a whole video. So today's video, I'm gonna talk about qiang. Qiang is a herb that belongs to the release exterior and disperse cold um, category. So qiang is properties. Qianghua's properties and tastes are pungent, bitter, and warm. And the meridian that Qianghua goes to is kidney and bladder. So this is like a couple, like a pair. When in Chinese medicine, I always when I say there's 5 zang organ and 6 fu organ, and each zang organ it's acting like in a couple, the wife. So basically, 5 wives plus six husbands, and one of the husband has no wife because there's only 5 zang organ, but one of the zang organ is the pericardium, and the pericardium, according to one of my teachers, explained that there used to be some some what do you call that, planets orbiting around the sun, and one of them disappeared or exploded or anything. Like astrology, astrological speaking, is that kind of jazz. So one of the wives died, or like not such, because it's a not a like organ anymore. So basically, kidney and bladder, back to it's a husband wife pair, and kidney is usually very like deficient. It's really hard to get like a excess syndrome, excess disease for the kidney. So it's usually kidney qi deficiency, usually kidney essence deficiency for people who develop slowly. For example, I've always said that I have kidney deficiency. It's because kidney is related to willpower, and I have no willpower whatsoever. Like I could basically um, do anything out of like one day and then stop the next. I have this Korean classmate, and she is so Korean. She's so beautiful, and like you have to see her makeup is always perfect. So she was like, "Oh, you know what? I have kidney deficiency. I don't have any willpower." I'm like, "You know what? You put on makeup every day. Every day I see her, she has perfect makeup." And I said, "That's willpower." So all Korean ladies out there, you all have really, really good willpower, good kidneys. And so the wife, that's the wife. Kidney is the wife. Always remember the zang is the wife. So zang is most important. So in a relationship, it's always the woman that's really important. I personally believe. Anyhow, so the next meridian that Qianghua goes to is the bladder. Bladder is a Tai-yang meridian. I don't know if you know that the Tai-yang is it's a Tai-yang together. It's the big sun, but Tai. Uh, for example, I call my mom a Lao Tai Tai, which is not true because my mom is so young and so pretty, but Tai it's related to senior and more like old. Oh my god, I hope she doesn't watch this, otherwise she'll kill me. So Tai and Yang is of course Yang, Yin and Yang, and Tai, which is like the older Yang, I guess, and Yang means a really strong one. So Tai Yang bladder, foot Tai Yang bladder marine, foot like the hand and feet and foot. So there's saying that, like, according to some, oh my god, I'm having a brain freeze. Okay, so according to, like, you get attacked by cold usually by Tai Yang meridian. So when I slept with the window open, for like 2 weeks, and I forgot to to close the window. I got like this really bad neck pain along my shoulder. This is all qiang meridian, and then I got like, of course, I get really bad like neck pain, and I'm gonna see doctors, and hopefully by the time I see my doctor, it's already better. But I was trying so hard. I was doing like all sorts of treatment for my neck. It's not really working because my Taiyang meridian was under attack. So Taiyang starts here and then it goes all the way back, and then on your back, if you see, there are two lines. One is okay, yeah, three chin beside your spine, and then one line is like half of your straight trunk. So now that everybody can know, this is 3寸. It's different for everybody. So my 3寸is definitely different from, say, somebody who's really big or somebody who's tiny. They're like hands, like little baby hand. Their 3寸is probably like 2寸for me. Anyhow, so let's go back to qianghua. So qianghua, it's a very famous herb. A lot of formulas has the name qianghua in it. When you have a name in the formula, how do you say that? If you have a herb of a formula, in that, oh my god, how do I say this? I'm so sorry. I'm getting a little nervous doing videos now. Okay, when a formula's name involves a herb, this herb must be very important to the formula. It's either very essential, it's like, like basically like Kim Kardashian without Kim. That's not a Kim Kardashian, like the Kardashians without Kim. I'm sorry. I don't know if that's wrong or not, but I mean, I love the other sisters, but let's be honest, everybody's there to see Kim Kardashian and watch their reality TV. I think so. Anyhow, so what does Qianghua do? The functions. Excuse me. Qianghua has 5 functions. The first one is relieve the exterior and disperse cold. Second one, I think, is basically like inducing sweat, and then expels the wind and remove dampness. And third one is release pain. Fourth one is anti-inflammatory. The fifth one is inhibits varicella, basically skin problem. So some of the famous formulas that I was talking about, one is 9味姜活汤, and the other one is 姜活胜尸汤. So when you say 胜尸, 胜尸 means battle or victory. When you have a fight, you win. That's basically 胜. So yay, I win. So 胜尸 means 胜 means win the dampness. So 姜活 win the dampness. Tang and tang is formula basically. So the indication for qianghua is externally contracted wind cold, aversion to wind, while with a slight fever, headache, general body ache, and wind, cold, and dampness, painful obstruction, pain in the limbs and joints, soreness and pain of the shoulder and back, especially in the upper limbs and back. So the dosage for qianghua, usually when you do your own formula, is 3 to 9 grams. And this is the raw herb. This is not the powder. If you do 3 to 9 grams of powder per day, that's too much. Contraindication. This is this is not used for patients with painful obstruction, so the B syndrome, due to blood deficiency, or headache due to yang deficiency. In addition, if you use too large a dose, the herb can cause vomiting. So pay attention to the food and drinks of the patient when using it. So like all medication that we suggest, sometimes you eat some food with your herbal formula. I mean, if you eat it on an empty stomach, it might hurt your stomach. So in a way, it's good to have food, but if you have like a weak stomach, you want to line something like, but there's another saying, if you don't have your herbs the first thing you do, maybe there's poor absorption of the herb. So it's all up to you. I'm really sorry for the background because our gardeners are doing the maintenance. Like we live in an apartment, so we don't have to like I don't have to do the grass and everything like at the gardening, but they usually do it really early. It's noisy. I can't tell them not to. Anyhow, so I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.